Hi everybody, it's Crystal and Corey again with the Wanderlust Chronicles and our one pot wander. Tonight we're going to make honey garlic chicken in the Instapot. So I'm super excited. So come on and let's get cooking. Okay, first we're gonna make the sauce. I've got a half a cup of soy sauce, mix that in. You're gonna put in a half a cup of ketchup, no salt added. I need a third of a cup of honey. I'm gonna spray this with Pam so that when I pour the honey in, it'll slide right out.
Fries again.
And in here I have a half a teaspoon of oregano and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Actually, we have this. I'm gonna add that. Mix that up. And I did say it was honey garlic. So I'm going to use this minced garlic. I'm going to put in a heaping tablespoon, tablespoon. And we're just going to give that a good mix. All right, I'm going to set that aside. Okay, so I'm heating up the Instapot on saute mode because we're going to brown the chicken just 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So that's heating up. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Tonight, the recipe that I'm using comes from diethood.com. I don't want to take credit for something I haven't created. So I'm using this recipe. I'm sure it'll be good. It certainly already smells good. So now I'm going to salt and pepper my chicken and then I'm going to get it brown. I'm salting and peppering. So I'm able to fit 4 boneless, they're not boneless, they are bone-in, skinless chicken thighs. Get my little chicken flipped. There we go. Okay, so I've turned it off of saute. And now we're gonna pour our sauce over top of it. I get all the goodie out. Okay, so we're just gonna put the lid on and lock it in place. And you're gonna cook this on the poultry setting for 20 minutes. And then you let it go. I'm gonna cut up some green onions for garnish, and 20 minutes we'll have dinner. Okay, so after 20 minutes on the poultry setting, I turned off the Instapot and I released the steam for 5. So now we're gonna take the lid off, we'll put the chicken on the plate and spoon some juice over it. Oops. And these are black sesame seeds. And green onions. We just want to thank you for joining us tonight on our adventure of cooking. And I guess we're going to sit down and eat dinner tonight. We will talk to you later. Please remember to hit subscribe and follow along with us on all our adventures. Thank you. There'll be a link in the description below that will take you to our website where all the recipes that we're using will be located.